But there is no guarantee that our vocation will stay forever because we depend on the mercy of God. That's why I told to myself, Lord, I should have died 15 years ago, but you extend my life. That's why every day I need to renew my commitment to God. And I said, Lord, thank you for the extinction. And Lord, if you ask me what vocation I want in my life, I still want to be a priest. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you very much. Because I'm very happy to serve people here. We have this bundle of joy, right? Because I could not imagine those poor people in my area and they do not have something to eat. So they know that I always told, because I was once a leader, youth leader in our barangay, and then I always tell them, please give me the list of those indigent families. So since the moment when I was ordained, I always see to it that I give something for, especially for the next example. I am 50 years old, I have to give 50 bucks, $1 a year. And we are very successful because this time we have 16 houses already. And fortunately, additional one, parishioners of ours hand me the money, Father, this is for the another house. So I guess, parishioner respond. So I'm very grateful that I was assigned.